You may have heard of the term full turnkey real estate investing. Full turnkey? What does that mean? Let's talk about it right now. Full turnkey real estate investing by nature is the idea of investing from afar, completely hands-off, where a real estate investment firm invests your money for you. In the same way that you would want to invest in Coca-Cola on the stock market, you could just click and buy some stock in Coca-Cola. You don't need to go to Atlanta, Georgia and tour their manufacturing or production facility. In the same way, you can invest in real estate anywhere in the world just by clicking a button and having a relationship with a local real estate investment firm. Our real estate investors hail from all over the world, including New Zealand, Australia, UK, Brazil, China, Germany, and all of these investors have the same idea: to passively invest in quality investments in America. Now, when you're investing hundreds of thousands of dollars from afar, you've got to make sure that it's a true full turnkey provider that you're working with. And how can you tell? You've got to make sure that the property management piece is done from the same company that sold you the asset. Why is that important? Well, there are 4 phases or 4 cycles of a real estate investment: the acquisition, the remodel, the leasing and property management, and then the sales. All the way along, people can cut corners if they're not going to be held responsible or held accountable on the back end. For example, on the acquisition side, you can make a bad buy or in a bad area. On the remodel side, you could do a very poor remodel. On the property management side, you could lease it out to someone that doesn't really have the ability to repay and then just sell the asset. So unless the property management company is the same company that bought it, remodeled it, and got it leased out, you're fraught with risk. So make sure when you're interviewing a full turnkey provider that the property management component is in place and they're not outsourcing it to somebody else. So what does it not look like? There are many house flippers out there masquerading as full turnkey providers, and yet they may just outsource their property management component to an outside vendor or an affiliate. It's very dangerous to take on a relationship with someone like that because the seller is not held accountable. Similarly, the property management company is going to try and raise up their maintenance fees, and every time the phone rings, they'll just send out the plumber, the electrician, or the painter to go and make the repair rather than holding the seller accountable or holding the contractors accountable to the process when they actually remodeled the property. So remember, property management is the most critical piece of being a full turnkey provider and must be done in-house from the people that actually sold you the property. Remember, the 2 big killers of cash flow are vacancy and maintenance, and those 2 variables are controlled entirely by the property management team. In fact, in the description below, we may even post a link to my other video, which was talked about vacancy and maintenance being the 2 big killers of cash flow. As always, remember to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and we thank you so much.